Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prevent chlorine damage from swimming. Before you even dip a toe in the pool, take a few proactive steps. First, saturate your hair with clean water. This helps it absorb less chlorine. Next, apply a leave-in conditioner or a natural oil like coconut oil to create a protective layer. Don't forget a swim cap to further shield your hair, and always use a good waterproof sunscreen to protect your skin from both chlorine and the sun's rays. During and immediately after your swim, quick action is key. As soon as you get out of the pool, rinse off with fresh water. Then, take a full shower using a specialized chlorine-neutralizing shampoo and body wash to effectively remove residual chemicals. Gently pat your skin and hair dry with a soft towel. Avoid harsh rubbing, which can irritate your skin and damage your hair. These steps are crucial for minimizing chlorine's drying effects. After showering, focus on restoring moisture. Within 3 minutes of drying, apply a generous amount of rich moisturizer to your entire body to lock in hydration. For your hair, incorporate a deep conditioning treatment at least once a week to repair and nourish. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Internal hydration is just as important for healthy skin. You might also try a vitamin C spray on your skin to help neutralize any lingering chlorine. For long-term hair and skin health, consistent care is essential. Get your hair trimmed regularly, perhaps every 6 to 8 weeks, to remove any split ends caused by chlorine exposure. Opt for gentle, sulfate-free shampoos, conditioners, and body washes in your daily routine. Try to limit your use of harsh chemicals and excessive heat styling. Finally, a balanced diet, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, will support your skin's natural resilience and overall health.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.